Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you, step by step, how to add an image to a PDF file on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Step 1. Open the Files app on your Android phone. This is where all your documents and PDFs are stored. Step 2. Find the PDF file you want to edit. Take your time to locate it, or use the search bar for quicker access. Step 3. Once you've found your PDF, tap on the three dots next to the file. This will open a menu with different options. Step 4. From the menu, select Open with Microsoft Office 365. If you don't see this option, make sure you've installed and set up the app. Step 5. The PDF file will now open in Microsoft Office 365. Here's where the editing magic happens. Step 6. Tap on the Edit button. This might take a second to load, so be patient. Step 7. Once you're in editing mode, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This opens another menu. Step 8. Scroll down in this menu and select Insert Image. Step 9. Now you'll have two options. Take a photo using your camera, or browse your gallery to select an image. Choose whichever option works best for you. Step 10. Browse through your gallery and select the image you want to add to the PDF. Make sure it's the right one. Step 11. Once the image is added, you can crop, rotate, or delete it if needed. Adjust it to fit perfectly. Step 12. Tap on Review and Edit to finalize your changes. Then tap the Finish button at the bottom of the screen. Step 13. Drag the image to the desired position in the PDF. Place it exactly where you want it. Step 14. Adjust the size of the image by tapping and holding the corners, then sliding up or down. Resize it to fit your needs. Step 15. Tap the checkmark symbol to confirm all your changes. This locks in your edits. Step 16. Tap on the three dots again and this time select Save As. Step 17. Choose a folder to save your edited PDF. Tap Save. Step 18. Optionally, you can rename the file before saving. Once you've renamed it, tap Save again to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your PDF file on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.